On May 8, the Ideal L Series Smart Renewal version was officially launched. Among them, there are a total of 2 models of the new L6, and the price range is 249,800 to 279,800 yuan. In terms of appearance, the Ideal L6 Smart Renewal version continues the design of the current model as a whole, mainly optimizing and upgrading the details of the body. The most prominent is the addition of the Sky Blue Special Series Pearl Paint. The installation cost of the Green Special Series Pearl Paint and the Elephant Grey Special Series Cold Light Paint is 10,000 yuan. At the same time, 4 free colors are provided: white pearl paint, silver metallic paint, gray metallic paint and black metallic paint. There are 2 20-inch rims and 2 21-inch rims. The tires are from Pirelli, Dunlop and Bridgestone. In addition, the new car uses a new laser radar that is 60% smaller, 60% lighter, consumes 55% less power, and has a maximum detection range of 200 meters. Looking at the body dimensions, the length, width and height of the Ideal L6 Smart Renewal Edition are 4925/1960/1735 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2,920 mm, which is in line with the old model. The entire series has a seating arrangement of 5 people. As for the interior, the Ideal L6 Smart Renewal version continues the design of the old model and has an integrated family style. The car mainly features a new 2-tone black and brown interior, equipped with a LCD dual screen consisting of a 15.7-inch 3K central control screen and a 15.7-inch 3K co-pilot entertainment screen. The vehicle system is equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8295P chip, supports 5G network, AI Ideal Classmates, Mine GTP large model, unlimited sound field voice recognition wake-up, gesture recognition, voice sprint recognition, app store, multi-finger flying screen control and other functions. It is worth mentioning that the Ideal Classmate has been upgraded to 3D plush image, equipped with a special account, memory and super assistant. It is equipped with laser radar as standard in terms of intelligent assisted driving. The Pro version is equipped with Horizon Journey 6M chip with 128 TOPS processing power, while the Max model is upgraded to NVIDIA Thor U chip with 700 TOPS processing power. Both are equipped with 11 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars and 1mm wave radar and other intelligent driving equipment. The Pro version supports high-speed navigation assisted driving, AEB automatic emergency braking, AES automatic emergency avoidance functions, etc. The Max model, which has urban pilot-assisted driving capability, will be upgraded to the VLA large model in the second half of the year. This model combines the end-to-end and VLM models. The VLA model incorporates the visual language model and the action model. Its biggest difference is that it is like a human, can understand our language, and can understand the human world. It can perform advanced assisted driving functions such as voice driving command execution, navigating to find a parking space, license plate recognition, and designated driving. In terms of power, it is equipped with a 1.5T range extender and an extended range hybrid system consisting of a dual motor. The maximum power of the engine is 113 kilowatts, the maximum power of the electric motor is 330 kilowatts, and the maximum torque is 529 Nm. It is equipped with an electric 4-wheel drive system. The vehicle accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 5.4 seconds, the maximum speed is 180 km per hour, and the fuel consumption when the battery is empty is 6.9 L/100 km. As for battery life, the entire series is equipped with a 36.8 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery pack, and the CLTC pure electric range is 212 km. With full fuel and full charge, 60-liter fuel tank, the CLTC's comprehensive range is 1,390 km. In addition, the new vehicle supports a maximum charging power of 75 kilowatts, reaches SOC 20% to 80% in just 20 minutes, and supports 3.5 kilowatts external discharge power. In terms of chassis, it uses double wishbone independent suspension at the front and 5-link independent suspension at the rear, equipped with an electronically controlled active adjustable CDC continuously variable damping shock absorber, and has been retuned to maintain comfort while achieving a sportier calibration.